Can you name these 10 birds just from their pictures? Only 3% of people get all of them right. Let's see if you're one of them. First one. Eagle. Second one. Parrot. Third one. Owl. If you got the first 3 correct, go ahead and like the video right now. Fourth one. Flamingo. Fifth one. Penguin. Quick check. Make sure your phone isn't being spied on. Tap the arrow at the bottom right, swipe, click more, and check for any suspicious apps. Alright, let's continue. Sixth one. Peacock. Seventh one. Swan. If you love Jesus, drop a heart in the comments. And if you're still watching, drop a fire emoji so I know you're locked in. Eighth one. Duck. Ninth one. Sparrow. And now, are you ready for the final one? Don't forget to follow and drop your score in the comments to get featured on our weekly leaderboard. Last one.